Hi, how have you been? Today I don't feel like cooking two separate meals, so I will make a two-in-one meal, which is potato curry with pork. I'm more hungry, so let's start cooking together. I cut the onions, then I'm gonna grind the garlic. Now I'm washing the pork and cut it into pieces and marinate it with chicken powder, oyster sauce. Using oyster sauce can make meat softer. Then I added a bit of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Now I will start preparing potatoes. I don't like the big pieces of potato in the curry, that's why I'm cutting them into the small pieces. After preparing them, I'm heating the oil now. Then some turmeric powder. This is the way I test if oil is hot enough or not. Then I added all sliced onions and grind the garlic. I'm making sure I don't waste my grinded garlic. I'm gonna keep it until it changes to transparent color. I'm adding chili powder, which I use for the color. I swear it is not spicy at all. Now time to add the potato. A little bit of fish sauce. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just enough to soften the potatoes. I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes. I tasted it and it felt like something was missing, so I added some chicken powder. Next, I will add the pork. And I added a bit more water to have it cook nicely. Ta-da! My potato curry with pork is ready. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. If you got any feedback or suggestions, leave me a comment. Love you.